Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. In the spirit of Christmas, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this Ankara Santa hat. It's actually the same process when you're using your fleece fabric, but you guys know me, I love my African prints, and I decided to, try it out to see what it would look like, and it actually turned out well. And in the spirit of the holidays again, please guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, help me get my monetization threshold by giving me my Christmas gift of monetization by watching my videos, sharing it to your loved ones so that them too they can learn amazing things from this channel. So yes, let's just get into it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
guys, this is what it looks like. I love how it's turned out. I made matching Santa stocking as well. So if you've not seen it, it's in my previous video. I posted how to make this in my previous video, so you guys can go check it out. It's beautiful, guys. You guys are going to love it. You can make it and use it to decorate your house, do your photo shoots, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it and have so many ideas working with it. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I will be ready to share your work with all my amazing growing followers on all my social platforms. Guys, please help me get my monetization threshold by subscribing to my channel and watching other videos. Happy holidays, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.